Up here in the sort object commandlet video, I mentioned that I would do a little bonus one on this interesting input object parameter in the sort object command. So wait a minute, sort object, doesn't that require some sort of input through the pipeline? That's what we said up here, right? But now I have an input object command. If I go down here and look at that in the full help, it says it specifies the objects to sort. Well, I thought we specified the objects to sort by putting them in the pipeline. It says when you use the input object parameter to submit a collection of items, sort object receives one object that represents the collection. Okay? It just receives one object. Because one object cannot be sorted, sort object returns the entire collection unchanged. So in other words, I can give it something to sort. So let's try, let's go back down here and try this. Sort object, input object, and now I'll try giving it a command. Get service. Whoa, my, it just returned get service. Maybe it's not actually returning anything about services. Let's put my name in there, Roger. Oh, okay. So I'm just inputting something here, and it's sorting it. All right. What happens if I input two things? Roger, Fred. Ah, it sorted Roger and Fred. Now, wait a minute. How come it sorted them backwards? What happens if I put Fred Roger? Now it does Fred Roger. Interesting. It doesn't seem to actually be sorting anything. Let's actually do that and then say descending. No, that didn't do much. So it's not really sorting anything. It's just returning this. So what good is this command? Well, I can use it in an interesting way. Let's go input object, get service, but this time I'm going to put service, get service in parentheses. Now remember what parentheses means. Parentheses means do this first and then do the rest of the command. Let's see what happens. Oh, now I get the whole thing sorted. So this command is mainly here for scripting purposes. It's just an interesting way to do it in scripting to feed something to the sort object command. Otherwise, all it does is just list whatever you put there.